What does a biopharma research lab actually do? Intro. Every medicine you've ever taken, a pill for a headache, a vaccine for the flu, started in one place, a research laboratory. But what actually happens inside a biopharma research lab? What do scientists do every single day? In this series, we'll take you behind the scenes of one of the most exciting fields in the world, biopharma research and development. Let's start from the very beginning. Part 1. 6 key areas of a research lab. A biopharma research lab doesn't do just one thing. It covers a wide range of scientific work, all connected to one goal: finding and developing new medicines. Generally, we can divide this work into 6 key areas. Area 1. Discovery research. This is where it all begins. Scientists look for the biological cause of a disease and search for molecules that could fight it. Area 2. Drug design and optimization. Once a promising molecule is found, chemists refine and improve it to make it more effective and selective. Area 3. Pharmacology and efficacy testing. Here, scientists test whether the drug actually works, first in cells, then in animal models. Area 4. Safety and toxicology. Before any drug reaches a human, it must be proven safe. This team evaluates potential risks and side effects. Area 5. DMPK, short for drug metabolism and pharmacokinetics. This team studies how the drug moves through the body, how it's absorbed, distributed, and eliminated. Area 6. CMC, chemistry, manufacturing and controls. This team figures out how to actually manufacture the drug, what form it takes, how it's made, and how it stays stable. Part 2. Does every company have all 6? Now, does every biopharma company have all 6 teams?
Not necessarily. It really depends on the size of the company.
Large global companies, like Pfizer, Roche, or Novartis, usually have all 6 functions as separate, dedicated departments. They have the resources to keep everything in-house. Mid-sized biotech companies often merge some teams together. For example, discovery research and pharmacology might be handled by one combined biology team. And early-stage startups may have just a handful of scientists internally and outsource much of the work to external partners. Known as CROs, contract research organizations, and CDMOs, contract development and manufacturing organizations. So the 6 areas we just covered represent the full scope of work in biopharma research, regardless of who actually does it. Part 3. Discovery research up close. Now let's dive into the first area, discovery research. This is the starting point of everything. The goal here is simple to say, but incredibly difficult to do. Find the biological root of a disease and identify a molecule that can fix it. Step 1. Target identification. The process starts with target identification. Scientists ask, what's going wrong in the body? Is it a specific protein that's overactive? A gene that's mutated? This broken biological component is called a target. Step 2. Hit finding. Once a target is identified, the next step is hit finding. Researchers screen thousands, sometimes millions, of chemical compounds to find ones that interact with the target. These early candidates are called hits.
One important note: for small molecule drugs, hit finding is mainly done through chemical compound screening. But for biologics, such as antibodies, cell therapies, or gene therapies, the approach is quite different. Instead of screening chemical libraries, scientists engineer biological molecules, often working directly with living cells or genetic sequences. This is why biopharma research requires both chemistry and biology expertise, often in the same lab.
This screening process is often done using high-throughput screening, an automated technology that can test hundreds of thousands of compounds in just a few days.
It's a bit like searching for a key that fits a very specific lock, out of millions of keys on the table.
Who works here? Discovery research requires a unique combination of skills. You'll find biologists, biochemists, geneticists, and computational scientists all working side by side. And increasingly, AI and machine learning are being used in this stage to predict which molecules are most likely to work, making the search faster and smarter than ever before.
Outro.
Discovery research is where a medicine's journey truly begins. Without this step, there is no drug.
In our next episode, we'll move to step 2, drug design and optimization, where chemists take those early hits and transform them into something far more powerful. If you're considering a career in biopharma, or simply curious about how medicines are made, stay with us. The best is yet to come. Key expressions. It covers a wide range of scientific work, all connected to one goal: finding and developing new medicines. Researchers screen thousands, sometimes millions, of chemical compounds to find ones that interact with the target. But for biologics, such as antibodies, cell therapies, or gene therapies, the approach is quite different. AI and machine learning are being used in this stage to predict which molecules are most likely to work, making the search faster and smarter than ever before. Discovery research is where a medicine's journey truly begins. Without this step, there is no drug. Thank you for watching.